I'm going to show you how to tighten up your e-brake cable on your Gen 1 Mazda 6. This goes for the V6, basically any other engine. This is a 2.3, so let's get on to it. First thing we're going to have to do is unlock our car. Now it's unlocked, go to the back seat, and we're going to have to get into right there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to your driver's side, get that, and just yank it forward. Yank it up. Now that you have all this space, you can see this panel right here. You see this panel? Future me here. Just a little word of warning before you even do anything that I'm going to be doing in this video. If you have these little white clips on this panel, worst case scenario, they will either break or you will lose them inside your carpet. If this does happen, there are replacements on Amazon through a trim kit, or you could 3D print them. Me personally, I did not 3D print them or do anything. I just put the panel right back. As you can see later in the video, it holds substantially well without these little white clips. You're going to get your fingernails like this and just yank it off. So if we go down here, you're going to go see a little, like a stud. If you see that stud right there, that's exactly what we need to get onto. It's a 10mm nut, and you're going to have to get an extension and a ratchet. You're going to need a 10mm socket. It has to be deep. You're going to need at least 2 extensions. Like this. Put it on an extension. And you're just going to want to go down there. Put it on the stud if you can find it. You're going to want to push and get your ratchet and tighten it. If your handbrake flop is too high, or like you have like a lot of flop and it doesn't feel, and it's not locking your rear tires, you're going to need to tighten it down. What I did it like maybe almost a little bit over 10 times. To put the panel back on after you're done tightening it, you're going to want to get these little, you see these little top parts right there? Shove them in like this into the center console. Put it like that and just give it a nice tap. It's going to stay in there with the bottom clips, or roughly with the bottom clips, and it's not going to fall out with any type of vibrations. Like I'm smacking the center console right now, it's not coming off. So if you do lose the clips, it's still going to relatively be there. It's going to come off a lot easier than it did before. So there you go. It's very, very simple how to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and take it easy.